It was a historic showcase of dancehall and reggae icons, DJ Cassidy's special edition of Pass the Mic BET After Party 2022. The special reggae edition featured 21 reggae and dancehall stars who contributed tremendously to the genres. Now, the televised Pass the Mic BET After Party 2022 saw DJ Cassidy FaceTiming with artists as they performed their hit songs. Kicking things off was reggae veterans SHAGGY, DEMUS and PLIERS, who rendered their famous 1992 hit Murder, She Wrote. This was followed by Tanja Metro and Devontae's classic hit Everyone Falls in Love. Now, the after party featured the likes of Junior Reid, Sister Nancy, Barrington Levy, Kevin Little, Supercat. Dancehall DJ Supercat gave his rendition of Get a Red Hot. Barrington Levy performed his hit Here I Come, and of course Sister Nancy's Bam Bam. Now, closing off a stellar lineup of acts was Grammy-winning reggae artists Shaggy and Rayvon, who performed their hit Angel. DJ Cassidy hosted a listening after party in Jamaica on Saturday. The event saw industry players, artists, reggae and dancehall lovers out to witness the global airing of the show. Pass the Mic debuted back in July 2020. The televised event unites a non-stop guest list of surprise legendary artists in various genres, performing their most popular hits before virtually passing the mic to the next.